108 megapixels, 200 megapixels. Every single phone is acting like it's a secret to perfect photos, but is it actually better? Or is it just marketing? Today we're gonna find out, does more megapixel actually mean better photos? Here's the myth. The higher the megapixel number, the better the image quality. It sounds logical. More pixel means more detail, right? Well, not quite. A megapixel measures how many tiny dots make up your photo. 1 megapixel equals 1 million pixels, so a 12 megapixel photo has 12 million dots. And a 200 megapixel one has, well, a lot more dots. But here's the catch. More dots don't exactly mean better photos. It's like having more ingredients. That doesn't mean your cooking improves. What really makes a photo good comes down to a few things. Sensor size, how big the light catching area is, pixel size, the size of each pixel in that sensor, and software. It also depends on how good the optimization is. Here's the problem. When manufacturers cram 100 megapixels into the same tiny sensor, each megapixel becomes smaller. Smaller pictures capture less light, which means more noise, especially when there's not enough light. So I decided to test it out myself. I made a 10 megapixel photo with a 10 megapixel camera, and I also made a 12 megapixel photo with an iPhone 8. I think you can see yourself which one is better. So what's the truth? Megapixel only matters up to a point. Once you hit around 12 to 20 megapixels, it doesn't really matter anymore. It's just more enough than anyone would ever need, even for printing large photos. If your sensing, your lens, and your optimization is solid, you'll get crisp, beautiful shots, no matter what the megapixel count says. So next time a company tries to impress you with our 200 megapixels, just remember, numbers can lie. So look at the sensor, the lens, and the optimization. That's where the real photo magic happens. So that was my video. I hope you now know a lot more about photos and cameras. How big the light catching area is, pixel size, So I decided to test it. I made a picture with a 20